makes things easier for me. Okay, and I have completely sort of redone this area. I still need to scrub all these cushions and everything, but I went ahead and I put a Limelight hydrangea here with the Majesty Palm and another one down here, and they'll be fine. They're fresh from the nursery. That they showed up at the nursery looking like, because I got them there right when they were coming off the truck, so that just is what it is. It's fine. They've already perked up a lot since I planted them in here. But I like the idea of having those right here just because the light up there, that reflection at nighttime, it'll brighten things up and pull the eye back here, which would be very nice. The only thing I've left to do is I need to retrench this entire area. This is still like partially left over from where there was like a little miniature mudslide over here that just washed everything through. And this entire area needs to be regraded, so I'm not going to be doing much with it this year anyways, but that's pretty much it. I hope everybody's doing well. Oh wait, no, I can't say goodbye yet. It's not nighttime. The lights came in the mail. I went ahead and I got them set up. I still need to, this whole cord, everything's going to get hidden back there, but I need someone to help me like pass it through and weave it, and then I have a little enclosure I can put that in to protect it from the water. But the light's installed, so we'll pick back up when it's dark out, and I'll change over to the different camera with the better lens and say goodbye and have a look at this. But I guess you'll have already seen the nighttime shot at the beginning, maybe. I don't know. I haven't figured out how I'm going to edit this yet, because well, you will have known by now. I don't need to go into all that. Oh, this is stunning. Then, hello from my shadow. I know it probably looks kind of bright. This lens, my nighttime lens, it picks up so much light that sometimes it's hard to even tell that it's dark out, but you can tell from here that it's dark out. A little bit of trouble focusing it because it's a Sigma lens for Canon and I'm using a Sony. And the autofocus kind of sucks, so I'm not going to use it. But yeah, there it is. Isn't it pretty? See that? You see that? See the reflection right there? That's what I was talking about. If I could have pushed this back a little bit further, that would be more noticeable. Well, it wouldn't be more noticeable. The fountain itself would be lit up more, and that would be nice, but I would lose some of the reflection because the fountain would be further away. I had to point the light up almost directly straight up at that pot to get it to light up. But it worked out just fine. The light changes color a little bit faster than I would like it to. That's as slow as I could get it to go, so just kind of is what it is. I'll probably end up picking a color and just leaving it on there, because like, look at how quickly it's washing through. A little bit too fast for my liking, but I love the colors, so I really shouldn't say that, because I do enjoy it. It's like I said, it's going kind of fast. I'd like for it to be a very slow and smooth change. Because ideally I would have it match up with the swimming pool. Let me set this up so you can see what I'm talking about. Yeah, so you see how in the pool the colors change very, very slowly. It's actually going a little bit faster than I thought I had it set on. But it's, well, that's actually more abrupt than... This is supposed to be doing all kinds of colors, so apparently I need to go mess with the settings on that where it does a slower color wash, because that would be my preference. But I mean, you guys get the point. I went ahead and reset this a little bit so you can see the reflection a little bit better. I'm going to be doing a separate tour at nighttime, so I don't want to do too much. I don't have all my lights on out here either, because I'm not trying to give away any spoilers, but yeah, lighting at nighttime, very important to me. I especially love seeing all the ripples and everything up in the foliage of the palm trees. Isn't that beautiful? One of the fun things about LEDs is the precision of an LED lens. You get so much more effect with ripple, with lighting, when you're lighting up water gardens and things like that. And like I had mentioned, being able to see the reflection in the pot in front of it was really important to me too. So I'm glad that that worked out. See that? So much reflection, so much happy. And it goes all the way up into the pine trees. You can see it on the limbs and whatnot. Makes everything sort of sparkle a little bit. And I did, okay, one spoiler, I did get 2 of these. See, look, isn't this lens amazing? It's nighttime. Look at the sky. See the stars? Love this lens. I wish the autofocus worked, but that's okay. Yeah, so I have this fountain lit up just the same as the other one. Same lights and everything. Do you want to see the lights? I'll show you the light. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, never mind. It's not going to show up on camera, and it doesn't matter because the box doesn't say anything anyways. It's just some weird random off-brand light. It's called like Underwater Happy Light. I don't know. I'll link the one I got off of Amazon in the description. I just got them though, so I can't really vouch for them. I don't know how good they are, other than they've been running for like, I don't know, half an hour. They seem pretty good. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. It's been a fun week working in little increments. I can't believe I have a shadow. I don't have any lights on behind me. That's nuts that it's that sensitive to light. But hey, I hope everybody's doing well, having a great day, great life, everything's going beautifully for you. And don't forget to leave the video a thumbs up. Makes a big difference for the channel and for the videos. I appreciate it, so thank you. Oh, and subscribe as well and hit that notification bell. I upload multiple times a week. That way you know new videos come out. I wish I could like get a zoom. It's a fixed lens, so there's no zooming. You probably didn't appreciate that. I'm so sorry. You can kind of see how there's ripple moving into the plants to the side too. Oh yeah, and as always, social media and everything's linked down below, down in the description of the video. Instagram. Say hi. Speaking of saying hi, comment down below. What's up? How's everybody doing? You guys got fun DIY projects going on? Okay, like I said, hope y'all are doing well. And as always, and most importantly, everybody, keep on